Great patient care to me means addressing our patient needs, but also making sure our patient has a healthy smile. Not only have a healthy smile, but a healthy smile means a healthy body. So kind of an encompassing total care for our patients. My name is Michael Tehrani, and I'm a prosthodontist here at Inspiring Smiles. I think the really unique thing about this office is everyone is very knowledgeable and skilled in what they do, and that allows everyone to kind of help each other out and provide a really good environment for our patients. I think the most rewarding part about my position is just seeing the transformation in people and being able to get them confident in their smile and being able to restore functionality in their everyday lives. Inspiring Smiles brings kind of the whole package in one office. Been really happy to work with our patients and transform their smiles, whether it's their veneers, crowns, or implants.